Why can't you download TikTok Live Studio? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. In the search bar at the top, type in TikTok Studio Download and click on Download Live Studio. Make sure it's official website of TikTok. Sometimes not downloading from official website of TikTok may cause some issue. After you're in the website, click on Download at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Download, it will be downloaded, and then click on the arrow at the top right. From there, you'll find it's downloaded or not. After it's downloaded, you can simply click on the file and run the file. After you download it from the official website of TikTok, only you will be able to download. If it's not website, you won't be able to download. And this is why you can't download TikTok Live Studio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.